out this sink over here. You guys can see the remnants on the floor. And we got to put the drain back together, but we weren't told about the floor drain. And you guys might not be able to hear me because Logan's covering the microphone with his hand. But we're going to use the K50 on this drain. Like I said, we didn't know the floor drain was plugged up. So we just thought it was a sink, so we brought the K50 in. So we're going to try to snake this out. We believe that, well, not that we believe, Logan said this is the location, that there's actually a broken drain cable in the floor we pulled out a couple weeks ago. I don't know if we actually recorded a video on that one, but we never recorded a video, Logan said. But somebody lost some cables in this drain. So it wasn't our cables. This location has had many contractors in here, so hopefully my cable don't get hung up on the broken cable, and we can clear this out. We'll put that sink back together, and then we'll be good to go. This might just be the trap that's plugged up. Kind of what we're hoping. So it seems it's not just the trap that's plugged up, because it would have been clear by now. This is 15 feet right here. So this drain is supposed to have a basket in the middle or at the bottom to catch any debris that's flowed down, and obviously there's not one in there. And that's where I'm getting stuck, so I'm not going any further because that's most likely where the broken drain is. Broken drain cable. Bits before we put that drain back together. Gotta get these kind of squeegees to flush the truck. We have some on them, but they're like a rubber. So This is what we took off to clear the trap. It was just the trap that was plugged up. See all the debris that goes down these sinks. Smells like rotten carcasses. That's why we never say the name of where we are, even if people can guess. Alright guys, so we're going to put everything back together, we're going to put this cover back on. Like I said, they should have a basket in here, but they don't. So we're going to leave that. And we're just going to wrap up the K50. And that's probably where we're going to say that's it. So you guys can see this is draining. Alright, we have the water running the whole time. So I want to thank you guys for watching. This has been Jay, that Drain Guy. That's Logan behind the camera. Until next time, Carcass.